During a visit to North Carolina, Donald Trump criticized the federal response to Hurricane Helene, claiming aid was misallocated and residents felt abandoned. Highlighting the importance of addressing disaster relief failures, especially in rural areas, Trump's remarks resonated with frustrated voters. Local leaders expressed optimism about increased voter turnout in his favor. As the election nears, Trump's focus on accountability and support for storm victims strengthens his appeal, positioning him as a candidate committed to prioritizing American citizens' needs over political agendas in this key battleground state. I am using Rizzle AI to generate these high-quality videos. You can too by clicking the link in my bio.